Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Unplugged. I'm Faiza Rehan and today I'm sharing 5 easy, healthy and super delicious smoothies you can whip up at home. They're packed with nutrients, perfect for any time of the day, and they taste amazing. So let's dive right in. First up, we have the Green Detox Smoothie, perfect for a morning energy boost. Just grab 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, half a green apple, half a cucumber, half a cup of coconut water, juice of half a lemon, and some ice cubes. Now, blend all that together until smooth. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is fantastic for glowing skin and digestion. Next, let's make the berry antioxidant smoothie. This one's loaded with immune boosting goodness. You'll need half a cup each of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, and some ice cubes. Blend everything until creamy and smooth. This smoothie is high in antioxidants and helps protect your body from free radicals. Now let's add a tropical twist with the mango lassi smoothie. Inspired by the classic Indian drink, you'll need 1 ripe mango, half a cup of yogurt, half a cup of milk or water, 1 tablespoon of honey, and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is rich in probiotics and great for digestion. Craving something chocolatey? Try the chocolate banana protein smoothie. Perfect for post-workout recovery. Grab 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 scoop of protein powder. Blend until creamy and thick. This smoothie is high in protein, keeps you full longer, and satisfies your sweet cravings. And finally, let's make the tropical pineapple coconut smoothie, a refreshing island-inspired drink. You'll need 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half a banana, half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of orange juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend until smooth and you've got a creamy tropical treat. This smoothie is rich in vitamin C and great for boosting immunity. And there you have it, 5 easy, healthy and delicious smoothies you can make at home. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Life Unplugged for more healthy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.